Now let's learn some basic coding knowledge. Let's just quickly move to the playground folder. For this, write cd, then a tight sign, workspace. Just write C and hit tab. It will automatically complete the folder name for you. Then write P and tab. Just hit enter. Now we are inside playground. As you can see in playground, we have a hello world.c file. So to open the file, just write jcode. It's a special command by junior IT that is used to open files. Just write jcode and the name of the file hello world.c. This special command will open hello world.c file for you. As you can see, this code has a lot of white space because white space is ignored by the compiler and white space is just there to enhance the readability of the code. This code also has two types of comments along with special type of junior IT command. So this is the special junior IT command. Comments are text in natural language that are ignored by the compiler or interpreter. It makes code more readable either for yourself or someone else that reading your code. It also helps in generating the documentation. Junior IT comment is wrapped around or inside the slash, asterisk and plus sign. This text is just for instructional purpose and ignored by the Junior IT AI system. Now we also have single line comment. You just have to write two slashes and then any text would be automatically commented out. And single line comments takes up to the entire length of the line. Now, along with single line comments, we also have multi-line comments in C that are wrapped inside slash and asterisk sign. So, multi-line comments can span up to multiple lines, and these are just wrapped inside slash and asterisk sign. You can also write comments in the code. For this, use multi-line comments because these are wrapped inside slash asterisk sign and won't affect the code. You can also use comments to disable the code. Just write single line comment here and it will automatically disable the printf function line. After taking knowledge about comments, let's start to read the code. So the first line is include stdio.h. It just tells the compiler to include the standard input output library so that the compiler can use the printf function. Now we also have a main function and we are going to name it as main, int main, because it marks the beginning of program execution. It can also be written as int main as you can see in the comment, because if no command line arguments are required, then we can directly write it as int main. This is the body of the function that is marked by curly braces. Inside the body of the function, we define the scope of functions and also we write all the code of the body of the function. So inside the body of the function, we also have printf function. So printf function is used to print something to the terminal and the text must be wrapped around double quotes. After writing the text, we also have added a new line character which moves the cursor to the next line. After each line of code, just like this, we also add a semicolon which marks the ending of the line. And after writing all the lines of code inside the function body, we just have to return 0 because return 0 means we are just indicating the successful execution of the program. And as it's an integer type of function, that's why we have to return an integer value. Let's just run the code. To run the code, again use gcc command, then the name of the file hello world.c, then give it a hyphen o so that we are going to change the default output name. Then again write hello world or any name of your choice, then hit enter. Now to check the creation of the new file, just write ls hyphen l and it will show that you have created a new hello world file. Now to run the file, just write dot sign so that it indicates the current folder. Inside that you have the hello world file. Just hit enter and it will show the hello world message to you. Now let's just remove this file. Just write rm and then the name of the file hello world. Hit enter. Again use ls and hyphen l and see. there is no hello world this time. Now we are going to use one more special command that's called JC script, that is more easier and faster to test your C code. Just write JC script and then name of the file that you want to compile. Just hit enter and it will just directly print or execute the code and print the message for you.